Thank you, Juhi. Hello, my name is Dai Vu. I'm a Program Director for IBM System P5 Worldwide Product Marketing. I'm here to discuss a unique leadership innovation available on all IBM System P5 offerings, virtualization, and how it's the next necessary evolution clients need to make for their Unix and Linux environment. If you take a look back at the Unix market over the last 20 to 30 years, you'll see that it has followed an evolutionary path of innovation, fueled by client business requirements. From a historical perspective, however, Unix has been through several generations. The first generation in the 1980s was all about workstations, high-powered graphical performance workstations that enabled users to do sophisticated engineering tasks. The second generation, the server generation, emerged in the 1990s and continued through the early 2000s when Unix entered the data center and helped create an open, symmetric, multi-processing platform for business applications. Now in this generation, raw performance and scalability were critical. IBM set the bar for this generation when it introduced Power 5-based systems in 2004 and captured more than 50 industry standard and application benchmarks covering a wide range of commercial and technical workloads. We are now entering the third generation of Unix, the systems generation. After a period of IT and Unix decline, the Unix market is now on the rise again. Client requirements have changed, and efficient growth is what matters today. It's not just about how fast the infrastructure runs, but how efficient and reliable it is. It's not about one application per server anymore, but how much you can accomplish with a single server to save time, space, and cost. To be successful in this generation, one requires a systems approach to computing. The leader of the third generation must provide offerings that are more efficient, flexible, and responsive to the fast-changing market dynamics. IBM is leading the new system generation of Unix with microprocessor, operating system, architectural, and comprehensive system-level expertise, all honed for over 30 years of mainframe success. Fundamental to the systems generation, and perhaps the most important catalyst to business value, is virtualization. Over the past few years, many IT organizations have pursued physical and/or centralized system consolidation projects, that is, taking several instances of servers and consolidating them onto larger systems to reduce complexity and improve manageability. Virtualization, the abstraction of physical properties of hardware resources, for example, microprocessor, memory, I/O devices, and storage, in a way that allows a more flexible usage model, is the logical next step beyond server consolidation. Virtualization enables near instantaneous matching of workloads of resources allocated, avoiding the wasted resources common to the single application per server model of computing. As a result, clients are able to increase utilization, lower cost, provision resources more easily, and make infrastructure changes transparent to the user. IBM offers the leading server consolidation and virtualization technologies on IBM System P5 and IBM eServer P5 offerings through the optional Advanced Power Virtualization feature. Let's discuss some of the key features and highlights. First, micropartitioning allows clients to slice up a machine into many logical partitions and provides the flexibility to share and dynamically change the allocation of system resources. Logical partitions can be as small as 1/10 of a processor or can be as large as needed, up to the total capacity of the server. Compute capacity can be fully shared across logical partitions, which makes it possible to run the physical server at very high utilization levels. Spare compute resources can be reallocated from one partition to another within milliseconds, dynamically and automatically. Second, multiple operating system support is available on System P5 and eServer P5 products. IBM's commitment to openness gives clients flexibility and choice: AIX5L, Red Hat Linux, or SUSE Linux. AIX5L and Linux on Power have extensive industry-wide application support. Greater than 6,000 applications are supported on AIX5L, and greater than 1,500 applications are available on Linux on Power. Clients can run any combination of these operating systems simultaneously in logical partition to optimize system utilization. Third, virtual LAN and virtual I/O. Virtual LAN allows clients to create virtual Ethernet connections to provide high-speed interpartition communication between these logical partitions, without the need for physical network adapters and switches. Virtual I/O allows clients to share expensive I/O such as physical disk, network adapters, and fiber channel adapters across the logical partitions. Now, what can clients achieve by deploying these virtualization technologies? Let's talk about the three primary business benefits of virtualization on System P5 servers. First, System P5 virtualization is designed to reduce the total cost of ownership and optimize IT assets by significantly improving server utilization. Clients can consolidate underutilized servers and workloads where utilization levels are typically in the range of 10 to 15% onto fewer, more manageable resources, approaching mainframe-like utilization, 80 to 90%, without sacrificing resource availability. Second, System P5 virtualization helps improve business responsiveness and operational speed by dynamically reallocating resources to applications as needed without administrative intervention. This reallocation can be driven by changing business cycles or handling unexpected surge in demand. By closely matching server resources to business need, customers can dramatically improve service quality. For example, reduce response time, improve recoverability, and improve service time, that is, the time to complete an end-to-end workload cycle, such as processing and posting a client transaction or responding to a client query. Additionally, if IT efficiency is exploited effectively, it can contribute materially to the realization of core business goals. For example, having this business flexibility can improve the speed at which companies operate, the quality of decisions that are made, and the quality and timeliness of the information in which these decisions are based. Lastly, System P5 virtualization can help simplify the management of IT infrastructure by making workloads independent of hardware resources. This enables clients to make business-driven policies to deliver resources based on time, cost, and service level requirements. Thousands of clients all over the world are deploying IBM AIX5L and virtualization technologies and realizing the many benefits I just described. One great example is the United States Tennis Association, USTA, in their US Open website. As the single largest annual sporting event in the world, the US Open draws an audience of tennis enthusiasts from around the world each August and September. During the tournament, the usopen.org site experiences an enormous increase in traffic with over 50 times its regular number of unique visitors. To handle this challenge, IBM needed to provide the USTA with a flexible infrastructure that could scale to meet the massive resource demands of the tournament and then resume normal operations at the end of the event, all while simplifying management and controlling cost. The IBM solution consisted of eServer P5 550 and 570 systems that included a mix of both AIX5L and Linux operating environments running multiple workloads on a single system. IBM's virtualization and micropartitioning technology was critical in this capacity. With virtualization, the USTA gains a scalable, highly responsive infrastructure that complements its existing system, without requiring a large capital investment in a permanent infrastructure that would be underutilized 11 months out of the year. The results? During a 2-week tournament in 2005, the business was able to manage a 75% year-to-year growth in visits to the website, a staggering 4.5 million users visiting nearly 27 million times and viewing almost 155 million pages during the competition. What the US Open system exemplifies is IBM's ability to deliver on-demand solutions that not only exceed the immediate business needs, but provides the technological scalability for future requirements. After all, it's the business benefits that drive the IBM solution and ultimately the client's success. In the last few years, IBM has taken considerable Unix market share from our competitors. In fact, in the second quarter of 2005, according to IDC, IBM became the worldwide Unix revenue share leader. Now, maintaining our market momentum is really about empowering clients with tools they need to succeed, creating solutions to the real-world business needs. We will continue to innovate superior technology solutions so that IBM Unix systems do more than just meet those business needs. As was the case with the USTA and thousands of clients around the world, our goal is to go above and beyond what clients thought they could achieve with an IBM implementation. We are confident that our IBM technology strategy with Unix and Linux environments can take clients to the next level of market success, now and in the future. Here is Barbara Cordy with a wrap-up for you.